dating NBA superstar na naglalaro ngayon para sa Pilipinas. DeMarcus Boogie Cousins, isang NBA player na once nag-dominate na naging franchise player sa NBA. Aside from a dominant force, nakalala rin natin siya sa mareklamong player na lagi napapaaway kaya madami siyang technical foul. In fact, isa din to sa mga reason kung bakit siya binibitawan or iniiwasan ng mga team kasi aside from player, nakakaaway niya din even the refs or coaches. He played for many NBA teams, but in Sacramento Kings, that is where he blossomed as a franchise player till he got traded to Pelicans na nakapartner niya dito si Anthony Davis. Itong stint niya sa Pelicans is kino-consider siya as the best or one of the best center in the league this time. Kasi iba yung dominance na binibigay niya and even he is a versatile player na kayang tumira sa labas and grabe, halimaw siya sa paint. Cousins suffered from rupture Achilles. Bibigyan na siya ng 5-year deal max contract ng Pelicans pero since na-injured siya, medyo nagkaroon ng doubt ang management sa kanya then binigyan siya ng smaller deal which he turned down then signed with the Warriors. This year, sila ang napipisil na mag-champion alongside with Steph, Clay, Draymond, and KD. Grabe na yung Warriors ng time na to. With the addition pa ng versatile big man na may tira sa labas din, nagpipit sa system since meron din siyang pasa or playmaking. But for some reasons, tinumog ng injury ang team nila. KD suffered from Achilles injury, Clay from torn ACL, and even himself got injured too and sayang lang kasi grabe yung super team na nabuo ng Warriors nun. After that, he became a journeyman jumping from other team to another because hindi na siya yung boogeyman na nakilala natin. Cousins play overseas where he partially dominate and fast forward, Cousins play for Zamboanga Valientes and recently lang for Strong Group Athletics kasama sila Renz Abando. DeMarcus Cousins averaged 19.6 points, 10.2 rebounds and 3 assists per game sa NBA. Sayang din no, isang versatile big man, hindi lang basta versatile kundi dominant force big man na nawala sa NBA dahil sa injury. As of now, Boogeyman is now playing for Mongolian Basketball League. Kung nagustuhan mo tumaga nitong video, click the follow button and comment ka na rin for any suggestion then para may kasabay ka na rin kumain. Singit ko lang tong NBA jersey short na kompleto sa lahat ng team. Check mo na sa Yellow Basket.
O mga bata, kaya huwag kayong mawawala hanggang sa susunod nating pagkikita. Paalam!